Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. This is my 5-step formula that you can actually use to hit 10k months within your business. This is going to be relevant for you, especially if you are new. This is more of an overview of the things you need to learn and things you need to do to actually start hitting those 10-figure months. This will be relevant if you're at 0 and you want to get to 10 figures. So stay till the end, and you're gonna learn exactly the five different things that I have used, and it's proven hundreds of people have used this framework to actually make a lot of money in their business. So let's get started. The first thing you need in order to get started is a website. Now everyone knows the importance of website, especially in 2021 and above and beyond. We are in a time where having branding and credibility is super important, and having a website is basically the minimum requirement for you to get your name out there. Now, does that mean you should be investing all your time, resource, energy, effort, money into this? The answer is simply no. Let me tell you why. When I first started, I recognized that website is super important, so I made my own website. But after I did, I recognized how much time, effort, energy it took on my part, and it wasn't the most looking back, it wasn't the most productive time of my life. So if you can outsource this to someone on Fiverr or Upwork, or even you can reach out to Mail Sales, my company. We have very affordable pricing websites, so this is something we can do for you so that you can invest your time doing the more important thing. I can guarantee you there are some really gorgeous and beautiful websites in the world. Unfortunately, they make no money. Okay, so just because you have a website doesn't actually mean you will make money. So let me tell you how actually the money game comes. So number one, we need a website, some sort of awareness up there. And the second thing we need is actually sales. Now, sales is not seen as a very sexy thing, but believe it or not, being able to master sales is going to be incredible. I personally have invested multiple 5 figures in my business and learning sales, which is why I became very successful in being able to sell my products and services. So if you wanted to learn how to actually make money, you need to learn how to make sales. I would recommend watching Spencer Lodge on Facebook or his podcast or YouTube channel. He's a very great salesperson. He does very well. You can also watch all Tony Robbins videos as well as Grant Cardone. These people are good at sales, so you can learn why they're good at sales. I will also be doing training on this along the way. So the second skill you really need is to be able to have a good understanding of sales and how it works. You can also feel free to take up our course. We have a course, it's being built currently. By the time you watch this, it's probably already done in the future. So if you wanted to learn sales, we have a course dedicated to teaching sales as well. So you can get in touch with me or one of my team members for you to help with understanding how to sell. Sales equals money, just so you know. You can have websites, but if you're not making sales, you won't make any money. So the third thing is funnels. Now, the funnels, I think a lot of people know about funnels. The great thing about funnels is you can take the best salespeople in the world and turn them into sales funnels that make money on autopilot. They don't complain, they don't want pay rise, they don't get hungry. So sales funnels are the way to go. Your ability to master sales funnels will determine how quickly your business scales. Now, when you first start, obviously you're not gonna know anything. So if you want to leverage expertise, me and my team have a lot of things. I don't want to sound too salesy, offering all this stuff to you guys, but please do know this is just to help you accelerate your own learning. There's a slow route and a fast route. The difference is when you go on the slow route, you have to learn everything yourself, and it's going to take time, energy, effort, and most people end up failing because they don't have the patience or resources or time or whatever it is to make it. This is why having a team behind to actually help execute all these ideas and vision makes it that much easier. So This is the thing you need to either learn yourself or leverage expertise of other people. Now, the next thing is where most people fail. To be honest, website sales funnels and sales, these are things you can actually hire. But the next topic that I'm going to talk about, the fourth one on the list, is actually what determines whether you succeed or fail. So let me reveal this to you, okay? If I have your permission, I'm gonna reveal it in 3, 2, 1, boom. And that is traffic and social media. A lot of people can get website mails and maybe make a couple of sales and have a funnel as well, either outsource it. But a lot of people don't understand traffic and social media. Now, social media is a powerhouse when it comes to traffic. I generate thousands of clicks and multiple 5 figures in my business, leveraging the power of social media. So when you understand how to use these things to your advantages, then this is when you will start to pick up really big money in your business. So when you start with website, you will probably make less than $500 or $1,000. When you understand sales, this will be when you will start making more than $1,000. You can start better. When you start making funnels, this is when you will start to hit those higher numbers, like around $5,000 consistently. And by then you should have a fair understanding of social media and how traffic works. And then as you understand that, as you get better in these things, you will finally, the fifth thing on my list is actually automate. So you can do all these things by yourself or hire someone to do it, but if you aren't able to automate this, then this becomes increasingly difficult for you to go above that 5-figure mark. So anytime when you're starting out and you don't know what's going on, these are the essential things you need to know or need to have a good understanding of in order to start generating money in your business. If you've learned something, feel free to comment for the sixth thing. That's right, there is actually 6 things which I'm not going to reveal in this video, so that will be in the future. But this is one of the most powerful way you can, the 6th is actually the key. That's actually what is going to help you ensure that all this process are followed through and you get to where you want to go. This is exactly what I have used, and I have used it on many clients to be able to get them to hit multiple 5 figures in their business. So this is something you can do. Again, if you need help with any of this, feel free to reach out to my team. Just send a comment saying you'd like to speak to me or someone else from my team, and we'll get you the help you needed so that you can accelerate much quicker. Thank you for watching this video. I will see you all in the next one. Bye.